One day for the thief, another day for the owner. I have caught you. Eh? If you want, please. Please just leave my way, please. I don't have your time today, please. Oh, so my friend, stay here. You think you can run your mouth anyhow and get away with it? You think so? Thank you. Will you stay so? Just leave me alone, please. I'm talking to you. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Eh? What is your problem? What is your problem? The next time I see you with my boyfriend again, eh? You eat sand. You eat sand. Oh yeah, useless thing. Foolish. Come on. Foolish girl. You think you can run your mouth and get away with it? Foolish. Try me again. Are you still there? Are you still there?
I have everything that I need. I get everything that I want. But someone live for the love. Pump on me, mama pump on me. Pump on me, pump on me, pump on me. Pump on me, mama pump on me. Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince, he's in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom, peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. But our prince need pampering. This our prince need pampering. Whoa, whoa. I can change you, get you, yeah, yeah. I can't walk this world.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, boss.
Do you even understand what I'm saying? Are you ready to sign the birth certificate?
Never.
She's still proving stubborn. Did I just hear you say never? Bitch. So you're proving stubborn? You are proving stubborn to me, huh? No, it's okay. It's about to get ugly right now. I swear to God. It's about to get freaking ugly. Now are you ready to sign it? Are you ready to sign it? I'm asking you for the last time. Before I send you to wherever you belong.
Take that thing away.
Yeah, see. Now listen to me. I'll do everything possible to make sure she signs the birth certificate. Do you understand what I'm saying?
But my prince, don't you think there's no need for signing of all these documents when we can just silence her? And that way, she wouldn't tell the father of her son. She can't tell who the father is. And that means case closed.
I think you have a point.
Boss, I'm always on point.
Not only when I say so. Go do your job.
The mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. Onya dindu waloli lanya. Makifa madia kukwa nenu wa. look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. Onya dindu waloli lanya. Makifama dia kubawa. Neno wa inuga.
My friend, where is my red car? Are you stupid? Huh? Let me not wait for you at all. Nyala.
There's something I want us to talk about. I will set you free after making good love to you. So, let's do it very fast before they come back. Don't you want to be set free? I mean, don't you want to go? Prince will eventually kill you even after signing the certificate. You should know that now. Oh, my prince. You're back.
I'm sorry I changed my mind. I just want you to know it ain't my fault. There's no point signing the birth certificates. You are the only one. You are the only one that knows who the real father of your child is. And the situation whereby you're no more, the case is certainly closed. You are such a wicked soul, a despicable human being. That's what you are. After all I did for you, and all you could do was to stab me at my back. Simply because of what? Because I don't know how to love like you claimed. Simply because I don't know how to treat women right. And you forgot so soon. All the things that I did for you from the very onset. The clothes, car, the house, shop for you every now and then. And all you could do is stab the one that loved you. You disgust me. You really, really disgust me. But you know what? I'd rather lose you than lose that boy. Yes.
It's the police. Open the door.
Police, it's too late to cry when the head is over. I'm going to kill her.
Open the door. Remember, police is your friend. The law will catch up with you should you do anything to her.
It don't matter. At this point, she's gone.
Listen, we are here to settle this matter amicably.
It don't matter. She's going down. She's going down.
Roland, open the gate. It's Chama. Roland, please follow me.
What? Talk to me.
What is it?
Drop your weapon. We are not going to handle it.
I'll drop my weapon on one condition.
Listen, the police is your friend. Whatever you say right now is going to be granted to you.
Now, good. I'll drop my weapon under one condition. If she tells everyone here that I'm the father of a child.
Never!
Shut up! Your request is granted. Say whatever he asks you to say.
I'd rather die than to open my mouth and say that he's the father of my child. Chukube, please now. Chukube, just say it.
Then I have no option than to kill you and spend the rest of my life in jail. That's it.
My prince!
Pampami.
Help me, please! Help me!
Pampami.
I want you. Now look where your stubbornness has landed us.
The truth is that you see this matter you're trying to downplay as a small case. My sister is actually too big. Bigger than you can imagine. This very case is capable of burning the whole Munanko village down. It can take a life. Let it just end between the both of us. To not let another ear hear it. Or bear between me and you. Please. You owe Mr. Roland no apology or explanation whatsoever. After all, because he wasn't fair to you. If he had not raped you, you will not be pregnant. So, for you to think about it very well. Maka, your life and our own lives too.
Your stubbornness has abandoned us.
What kind of temptation is this?
Oh, devil. The devil is a liar.
So Prince Ikena can actually kill somebody.
He's a very heartless man. The ghost of Umunako will never set him free.
He will rot in jail in Jesus' name.
Amen. If we should stop crying, maybe she's not dead.
Why will we cry?
What's about that? Let it be so.
Okay, man. What is happening? It's the same thing I heard. Isn't the prince's daughter was shot? Shot? Yes, by the prince. Chai. How? What happened now? I don't know. What is happening in this village? I don't understand anymore. I don't understand anything. This thing is getting out of hand. Now, what do we do? I don't know what we will do, but let me get my cap so that we'll go to the palace and let the be aware of this. Exactly. I don't know what is going on. What is really happening? Chibanozo.
Uncle.
It's already quite enough.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Please just shift closer.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
What is actually wrong? What is happening in this village?
Igwe.
in compliance with the directives of the Inspector General of Police, to conduct the DNA test, which we have done in the presence of our Queen Mother here, Aniche Okeke, who I think is unavoidably absent from this gathering. I am presenting this result to you, Your Majesty. According to that result, it has been proven beyond all reasonable doubt that our brother here is the father of the child in contention.
Well, my people, there is a saying that a fly that refuses to listen to advice accompanies the corpse into the grave. In all this, I am not disappointed. I am not disappointed because the ways of the gods are not the ways of men. However, after rain always comes the sunshine. My son, my son, you remain my son so long as I live. The plans I had for you shall be executed to the latter. Paulina.
Your Majesty.
Chekumbe. You will go back to that house because no one will chase you away again. We will also return the car back to you, and you will live as you used to. May the gods be praised. Jidofo.
Igwe.
Come.
Come and have your glass. Oh no! I'd like telling them, oh, is that even?
I have everything that I need. I get everything that I want. But I'm only fair for the love. Pamper me, mama pamper me. Pamper me, pamper me, pamper me. Pamper me, mama pamper me. Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince, he's in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. But our prince needs pampering. This our prince need pampering. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince, he's in love. Prince American, all this is quite love. Look at a kingdom, peaceful and nice. Lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom, peaceful and nice. Lovely kingdom. Prince American, Ajana manjaza, Prince American, Ajana manjaza, Naga Fisia, Maka, Lochiaka, Kamasiasa.